Butter chicken is a classic Indian dish that is loved by many. Here's a recipe to make it in Indian style. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons ghee or butter. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 large tomatoes, pureed. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 1 tablespoon sugar. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions. 1. Marinate the chicken with a little salt and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. 2. In a pan, heat the ghee or butter and oil together. 2. Add the onion and fry until it turns golden brown. 3. Add the ginger garlic paste and fry for another minute. 4. Add the tomato puree and cook for a few minutes until the oil separates. 5. Add all the dry spices, cumin, coriander, red chili, turmeric, and garam masala, and fry for a few minutes until the spices are well combined. 6. Add the marinated chicken and fry until it turns golden brown on all sides. 7. Lower the heat and add the heavy cream and sugar. 7. Mix well and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. 8. Adjust the salt and seasoning according to your taste. 9. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with naan bread or steamed rice. Enjoy your delicious homemade butter chicken.